Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Oraimo smartwatch. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we've got the smartwatch wrapped in a plastic box. Yeah, plastic covering the whole box. So we're going to open it up now and see what's inside. Obviously the watch though, but well done, Oraimo. I got to hand it to you guys. You guys are really good with all the packaging and stuff. I mean, look at that diamond finish on the band. Okay, we've got a thick manual. I mean, thick manual. Yeah, when you get yours, you just flip through it and you see everything that needs to be done. We've got a magnetic charger. Yep. So the watch is actually wirelessly charged by this charger, and it has this super magnet for easy connectivity to the back of the watch. That's all in the box now. Nice box though. For the watch itself, just pop that. Okay, take off the sticker in front. Wow, it's really curved, as they said. Hmm. Raimo, you now do well, oh. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, the wrists are actually so free. I mean, look at that. They're not so constricting or tight or anything, and the charger just fits in. I mean, just like that. The super magnet just gets to the port and it connects itself. Look at that. It looks like a Samsung phone. I mean, look. First of all, we're going to charge the smartwatch, which we have a charger in the back. Then to turn on the screen, you simply tap, you can just tap the screen or press the home button, swipe to see other functions, and basically that's it for that area. You can swipe down for the control settings, you can change the dial to increase or decrease the brightness. You can go up there, swipe down, increase brightness, swipe left to go back. There are more functions when you tap on the settings and just swipe down. To view WhatsApp messages, swipe up, or all notifications. It shows just about a few lines of the messages. When you tap on them, shows just about three messages and three lines of message, and that's it. This is the Joyware 2 app. This app allows you to control your smartwatch from your phone. It also helps you keep records and tracks of basically everything the watch records. These are watch faces which you could synchronize to the watch screen. So yeah, that watch face, or the also known as the dial, is changeable, and there's also an option for custom dial on the right, where you can make your own kind of dial from images in your gallery and stuff like that. Gonna download and sync a watch face to your phone. While that's going on, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like the video. Subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos. Bye.